Ford Mustang, and this car is the original Ford Mustang that we know and love. This car is left-hand drive, and we're driving it out here in Australia, and this is going to be my first real time driving a left-hand drive vehicle. It's going to be insane. This car has been fully done up to extreme levels. It's a full drag racing built V8 Ford Mustang. I've never driven the original car ever before, and to be behind this wheel, it truly is something special. This car started its life as an import straight out of America, and it was brought back to Australia as a stock standard factory 1965 Mustang. Since its arrival into Australia, this car has had the whole workshop bench thrown at it. The engine has been fully built by F&T Mechanical, and Jake over at SDS did the tuning and the servicing. But other than that, everything has been done by the owner out of his home garage. And this car is far from factory. The engine is a 363 stroker V8 engine and is absolutely ballistic. There is so much torque behind this car. Let's give it a little bit of a demo. Oh my lord! This car sounds so good with that V8 stroker. It makes 565 horsepower at the wheels and over 500 foot-pounds of torque. It is blisteringly quick. This car has a 9-inch diff. It's been mini-tubbed at the back. The engine bay has been fully done up. You can literally eat out of that engine bay. And it's got a B&N drag racing transmission. And the owner of the car, Les, ran an 11.6 on the quarter mile at the drag strip here in Calder Park. This car is so well made. Everywhere you look, it is absolutely beautiful. The owner of this car, Les, has been building it for 4 long years, and he's been perfecting it ever since he got this car imported out of America. To think that this car is now a 55-year-old car, it really has aged so well. This is the American muscle car that you know and love, the original beast. This car gets attention everywhere you drive it. On the outside, you've got this awesome Velocity Red pearl paint job. You've got this massive hood which houses the engine behind it. The car is also riding on some Convo Pro wheels. They're the best go-to wheel for drag racing, and he's combined that with drag radials so he can really put the power down to the tarmac. And let's see how this thing goes. Holy, this car sounds amazing! What? Oh my lord, this thing is crazy! This car has had a full brake overhaul, it's got power steering, and it's got air conditioning. Everything has been completely revamped to the highest specification. I can't believe how well this car has been built. It truly is a weapon. The sound of this V8 on the stroker 363 engine, wow. The driving feel of this car is really quite sporty. Despite it being so old, it drives exceptionally well, it cruises comfortably. The interior of this Ford Mustang is equally as pristine. The car also sports the full red paint job as it does on the exterior. You've got this lovely clear tachometer design. The dashboard is full leather. You've got Alcantara inserts on the door cards, and the seats are so luxurious and very, very comfortable. Despite it being a vintage sports car, it is still so nice and comfortable to drive. And also one that has so much power. It truly is so surprising that it's no wonder why people all around the world love the Ford Mustang. The way it looks, the way it drives, every single thing about this car is truly something special. I really want to give a huge shout out to the owner of the vehicle, Les, for letting me drive his pride and joy. It's been a 4-year-long project, and Les, I really think you've created something special here with this Ford Mustang. Thank you so much for letting me drive this car. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. In the comments below, tell me what you like about this 1965 Ford Mustang, because it truly is something special. And as well as that, consider subscribing because it really helps out the channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Please take care. Bye for now.